Sa naganap na big reveal ng ating Chinite Princess na si Kim Chu bilang bagong endorser at Tanduay Calendar Girl 2025, ay ibinahagi nga niya ang tunay at totoong saloobin niya patungkol dito. Naayon nga sa kanya, ay hindi nga siya makapaniwala na ganito ang mangyayari sa kanya bilang isang artista o individual. Narito at pakinggan natin.
I feel empowered actually. I feel grateful to be the Tanduay Calendar Girl 2025. Kasi I feel like this is such a powerful moment for me. And this is a milestone I never thought early on my career days. Pero I believe that this is a testament of how much I've grown and how far I've come. Not only as an artist, as an individual, but most especially as a woman.
Kayo, anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito? Just comment down below.